All right, guys, 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We are gonna replace this bulb. Okay, this is for that headlight right there. I'm gonna turn off the lights, and then we're gonna go down by the wheel well. And the bulb you're gonna need is H11. This is the bulb, and we're gonna do it together. So as you can see, I turned my wheel. I just want to get to this guy right here, and we're gonna turn this counterclockwise so you get to this notch here. And then it's gonna be a little bit complicated, but as you can see, all the way down there, you got that little cover. And let's see if I can reach in there and get that out of there. Okay, I had to get my glove. So we need to first take off that little cover around it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna kinda grab that and pull that plastic cover. It's just a stupid design they made here. They won't put this front of it. Okay, so let me see if I can kind of grab it from back here. As you guys can see, I'm just trying to get that cover off. It's gonna be quite a bit of bullshit here. You have no type of leverage on this, but working with my nails and fingers, that's all I'm doing here. There you go. We got the cover almost out. There you go. The cover's off. And inside, we're gonna have a connector and a bulb. So we're gonna pull the connector off first. Okay, it's a HID bulb. Okay. Is it a HID bulb? Okay, no, it's the H11 bulb. So we're still gonna have to take out the connector. We're probably gonna turn the whole thing and get it out. Okay, so I ended up taking out this filter housing. I removed the clamp. I put some WD-40 onto the grommets. This 1, 2, 3, and this one right here. And this whole thing can be just pulled right up and out. And you're gonna have to kind of pull this little guy off right here. Loosen this bolt up here. Take off this pipe. It just comes right off. And now I want to show you guys, because I was not able to reach from back there. I tried every single thing I could, but this is where this guy sits at, and it's just a bad design by them. I don't know who was thinking what to do this, but anyways, got the connector off, but I cannot turn the bulb because the connector kind of hits. But there it is. This guy comes right off. So all you do is you turn it counterclockwise, and this baby comes right off. So we're gonna get a new bulb. I'll be right back. So here's my new bulb. I do not want to touch the filament. So what I want to do is, same place I took it off, and then it turns right back on. So let me see if I can feel the spot, and it should kind of get the connector. Because you know what, guys, get the connector in there first, because it is not gonna go on later. That's for sure. Okay, so let me get this connector on right now. H11 clicks right in. There's not enough clearance. Could have got this from back there, but there wasn't enough clearance for the connector. Okay, and make sure you catch the bulb properly on the housing. Once it's on, it just twists on and it clicks right in just like that. Now I'm gonna grab this plastic piece here, which I was doing from back there, but I do want to test my bulb, but I do want to put everything back together and then test the damn bulb. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, I caught a cramp on my arm. So make sure this cover is on nice and good. I'll double check it from down there. Okay, let me get the rest of the, so I'm gonna do the reverse procedure here, so you guys should be able to see the reverse procedure here. Okay, so I want to let you guys see the reverse procedure because it is kind of complicated. So this thing comes out of here. So again, make sure you lubricate everything. This thing should just drop down there. And if this bothers you, that's fine. I'm working with one hand. If I could do this with one hand, you guys can do this with two hands. Okay, just make sure everything just kind of aligns. This has to come up above, and this has to kind of go more down in. You know what? Two hands is gonna be better than one. Let me mount my camera here. Okay, that's more like it. So let's see what I'm doing wrong here. It's gotta kind of come front a little bit. It's gonna drop dead on the grommets and stick right in just like that. Okay, perfect. This little clip here goes into this filter, goes up in here. Good time to change your filter too if you like. Okay, our clamps. Okay, some WD-40 on the grommets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're gonna put this in just like that. There's always something happening in the street. Okay, that's that. We gotta bring our retainers up. 1 and 2. That retainer went in underneath. Supposed to be out. There you go. That's one retainer, and that is 2 retainers. Pipe is in, pipe is in. I'm gonna lock up. Whoop, what am I doing here? 8mm. This is 8mm or a flathead screwdriver. That should take care of that. There we have it. Nice and firm. I'm gonna show you the other side. Okay, so this is what I loosened. Okay, and then you pop this with that, and this also you're gonna have to break the grip loose and make sure from down here this is out, and when you put it back and make sure it's in. The clamp is in, this is in, and all I need to do is, should have been really from right here, but they just made a bad choice designing this guy. There you go. Let's turn on our light, see what it does. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next one. So again, H11 is the bulb.